Well, you know what time it is. It's Millennium County time. Alright, well, crazy as it may sound, I decided to tear apart the CN, Canadian National locomotive. I think it's an E44 or something or another, I don't remember, but anyway, I'm going to go ahead and attempt to paint it. So the next step will be stripping it, and probably not going to videotape a lot of this stuff, but I'll take still pictures and put them up in the video when the time comes of each stage as I go through. But it was kind of a bit of a job taking all this stuff apart, stripping it down. I figured it out and didn't break anything. That's always a plus. So, stay tuned for additional takes of what I'm doing here. This may be a long drawn out process, so I don't know, but I'm not going to be in any big hurry. But I am going to paint it in the same color configuration as, see if I can zoom in on that, as my caboose, which is in service right now and is looking good. So we're going to see how this turns out. It should turn out pretty good, I hope. We'll see. So stay tuned and I'll be back with more. Alright, so the shell is painted. Same color as the caboose. Came out pretty good, I thought. So now we need to do the reveal. Yes, I left the, if you can see that, I left the grills black. There we go. Now, oh no, I took out some of the blue. Damn it. Well, I suppose I could touch that up. Very carefully pick this off of here. Where did my tweezers go? Here they are. That's it, not too much. I guess you can see that there, I hope. Put this panel back on. So there you have it. I'll have to touch up that blue on the top there where it pulled the paint off. You can see that. Well, other than that, it looks pretty good. So, once we put it back on here, and I painted these to match both sides. I suppose I could put those back on here. Not too bad. Or as they say, not too shabby. I have a lot of assembly to do yet, so I'm probably just going to turn on the camera off and on to show you how far I've gotten. Oh, that came on back off there, didn't it? And we'll go from there, but we're getting there, so stay tuned and there'll be more to come. Well, here it is so far, the new Millennium County engine. Not finished yet, I still have to do the side rails, the front railing. And that's about it, actually. I would put new horns on it because when I first got this model, I broke the horns off. I was just picking it up. Go figure. But I got the horns ordered, so we'll see how this comes out. But this looks pretty good so far. Get that right in there. Zoom back out of it a little bit. There we go. Looking pretty good. New road number 1377. Millennium County and lettering. Got the small logo on the sides here. And the big logo in the front. And how great this camera is. It doesn't focus very well for some reason. But anyway. And over here, looks pretty good. Now, I was going to fix this down here on both sides because this was separate from the body, but it actually looks like it's a little rusty, so I'm going to leave it. Kind of a little weathered look there, which is cool. And we've got the railings in the back. Once again, I don't know how much you can see here, but all this looks like it's weathered because it's a little rusty. So I'm just going to leave it the way it is. So anyway, I'll take another shot of it once I get it completely finished. We'll get it on the track and see how it runs. So until then, stay tuned. And there you have it. The finished. What used to be a Canadian National ET44C4, I think, is now the Millennium County, road number 1377. And everything works beautifully on it. Turn the sound back on. Let's back that puppy up. Let's see, we have our lights are working, ditch lights and everything. Amazing. But run just as smooth as ever. All the railings are back on, everything's working. Can't go wrong with that. Okay, forget the horn. So altogether, I'm pretty happy with that. And because it came out so well, I think I'm going to go back over the FA and do the same color scheme. Just not happy with the way it looked. So, but this one here, this came out beautiful. I'm real happy with it. So anyway, tell me what you think. If you like it, let me know. If you don't, same thing, you know. Nobody gets mad around here, and everybody has different likes and whatever. So anyway, that's going to conclude the this part of the video. So stay tuned, keep it on the rails, and look for future videos for other things that I may do on my layout. And as always, keep it on the rails. Bye.